Cindy, Create the Heart, and I am back with part, is this part 3 or part 4? I'm losing track of my Snow and Cocoa embellishment mini-series. So in this mini-series, I think this might be part 4 of my mini-series. Pretty sure it's part 4, where I'm making a ton of embellishments using my Snow and Cocoa because I really do want to use it up. Culminating in my Snow and Cocoa holiday album, I'll be showing you how I'm going to be, documenting my holidays. And I'll be using all of this stuff in here, and I'm going to have a giveaway as well. So at the end. Okay, so let's go ahead and get started. So for what I'm going to show you guys today, so this is all the stuff that I've made. I'm using my stitched circle dies. I'm using my scalloped circle dies. I'm using my Creative Time flat bows. And I'm using my Cat Scrappiness oval scallop dies. And I'm using my Dear Lizzie, I don't even know what this one's called, but it's this die right here. It's like this die. Okay, that's what I'm using for all of these projects. So let's go ahead and get started. So I'm going to start with these two right here. So this piece is a Snow and Cocoa embellishment. It comes in a pack of 2. So you get 2 of these little sort of vine circle puffy things. So really with no direction on what to do with them. So I decided to layer them on some circle dies, and then I put my homemade, Snow and Cocoa like snowman from Hello Bluebird top to the My Creative Time bow. And so from here, I'll cut out another circle when I'm ready of a picture maybe, or, maybe an image, whatever it is that I want to put in there, but it's ready to go. And I really do like how these came out. So that I use that scallop circle along with my stitched circle, and then I put that Snow and Cocoa vine, and then I topped it with my flat My Creative Time bow, and then my little snowman from Hello Bluebird. And then this one I used the tree. And I love that. I think that's really cute. So there's that one. And then I did make a bunch of tags. So I have a tag right here. And this one is using almost all digital pieces. So these are just layered digital pieces that I glued on to my tag. This is Snow and Cocoa paper. And then these are Snow and Cocoa little snowflakes. So this actually was what was left from my the tag that I cut out using my very favorite die, which is my CC Designs tag die. And so it made this, and I looked at it and I went, oh, this would be like a really cute tag. So it was like I didn't have to do anything to it. It was already cut perfectly right size and everything. And then all I did was tie some twine and layer on my pieces. And then here is my tag using the CC Designs tag die, which is my favorite die. And then this piece and this piece, these are cut from the paper collection. And then the Oh So Cold is from the digital piece. And then this is, I have a bunch of these silver glittered snowflakes from Tuesday morning that I'm using up. And then I've got my twine. So, and then I found the Snow and Cocoa pom-poms, which I knew I had, but I couldn't figure out where they were. And I was looking for something and I ran across them. So there you go. So I'm using them for something else, which I'm going to show you guys. Give you guys a little sneak peek of that in a minute. So this is a tag that I had in my stash that was already a pre-printed and made tag. So all I did was just decorate it with some Snow and Cocoa pieces. So with the snowflakes and then my own Hello Bluebird snowman And it's just a ready to go tag. And then this last tag, so this piece right here, this burr piece, this was actually printed out from the digital, and then it was very light paper that I printed it out on, so I mounted it just on a white cardstock. So I cut this tag piece out twice, once in the regular, the Neenah white cardstock, and once in this burr paper. And then these are digital pieces, and then this is the Hello Bluebird polar bear, and it's on top of a snowflake from my stash from Tuesday morning, and then this is a digital piece right here, and then I tied it with some twine, and I think it's cute, very cute little tag. And then I made little sort of award ribbons using that Dear Lizzie die. So here's one, and then these are digital pieces, and then the burr is a puppy sticker from the Snow and Cocoa collection. And then this one, I have this digital piece that I cut out, and I actually just ended up mounting it on top of the award circle. And then I put this Snow and Cocoa puppy sticker polar bear there. And then I've got some oval embellishments that could be kind of tucked into a pocket. They can be sort of mounted on something that maybe you don't want to, maybe don't have enough pictures and you need something to decorate a page. Then this is your thing. So in the Snow Cocoa ephemera, it came with a bunch of acrylic pieces, and this is how I used some of the pieces. So this one says Joy, and all I did was mount the Joy acrylic piece onto two different sizes of scalloped ovals. And then I added a little tree and some gems, and I think it's really cute. These actually came out really nice. The burr piece is from the ephemera, and I did the same thing. I just kind of mounted everything together, and then just put those gems around it. And then this one right here, same thing. And then I added, there's a paper that has a bunch of cut aparts of words. And so I just put those words there. And this is a relic piece right here. Just kind of mounting it on top of white and then on top of the printed cardstock. What's that? Oh, and here's one more of the award ribbons that I did. So just the stickers. These are puffy stickers from the Puffy Sticker Collection, along with the printable Joy and Happiness. So that's really cute. And then I'll go ahead and give you guys a sneak peek of something that I've been working on. Let's see if I can find it. Give me a second here. Where did I do with it? Oh, here it is. Way over in the corner. So what I did was I took the blister packaging. Let's see if I've got one over here where I can kind of show you. So I took the packaging, this blister part, and I took it apart. I took it out and used this part right here. It's got a very big sort of indentation, great for doing some kind of a large shaker. So what I did was I took that apart, and then in that blister part, I put the pom-poms. I put some microflake stuff, and I put some blue glitter in here and created this sort of snowy kind of thing. The pom-poms don't really move because they're kind of big, but they do fit in there, and I'm kind of okay with them not moving. I did want to put the acetate snowflake that came in the ephemera, but I forgot to stick it in there, so I might just put it somewhere. Somewhere, I don't know. But I saved this so much fun, and I glued that right on top. So all I did was take this piece apart. I laid it down. I put my pieces inside. I measured this, and then I glued the edges, and I put my paper print side down, and I pressed down really well, made sure it was really glued on really well because I don't want stuff leaking out of it. And now this is easy to put on something. This is actually going to be on the front cover of my album. And then I just measured this piece, and so and I just covered the edges, and so you guys can get another sneak peek too. So here's the album that I made, and it's not done right because it's not decorated. So this piece is going to go on the front. So I'm probably going to do some sort of ribbon here, some kind of ruffle, something, get my glue gun out. And then this is going to go on the front, and this is going to be my my front image. So much fun. And that's going to be the front. And then the other thing that I'm working on that I might as well show you guys if I can find out is I had this one. I don't know if it's going to work. But let's see. So I took the Wonderland piece and I glued down the pom-poms, the Snow Cocoa pom-poms, because I couldn't figure out what the hell to do with these suckers. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to try to attach it to the spine so that it ends up being a dangly piece. I don't know if I'm going to do it with ribbon or do it with thing. I don't know. But like a dangly piece that it could dangle and, I don't know, be a decoration. So I'm working on that. We'll see. The next step of the Sew and Cocoa is the decorating. So that's what I'm going to work on next. And that gives you kind of a little sneak peek on what's going to happen with that. So I am going to do that. So that will be the mini album that I'm going to do will be the next video. And then there'll be one more video after that where I'm going to do a Snow and Cocoa album. Like I'm going to do a giveaway and probably another couple of projects that I'm going to share, like last projects. And then my Snow and Cocoa will be finite. So thank you very much for watching. I hope that you are enjoying all the different things that I've made with Snow and Cocoa. Stay tuned for the last two videos. Thank you for watching. This is Cindy, Praying with the Heart.